AI tools are everywhere right now, but not all of them are actually useful. So I decided to test a few of them and see which ones are truly worth using. First is ChatGPT, but not in the way most people use it. It can help automate tasks, generate ideas, and speed up a lot of everyday work. When used properly, it can save a significant amount of time. It's a very powerful tool. Next is Midjourney. It's an AI tool that can generate high-quality images from simple text prompts. It's commonly used for thumbnails, marketing visuals, and creative work. What normally takes hours can often be done in just a few minutes. When used properly, it can be a very powerful tool. Finally, there's Pictory. It allows you to turn scripts into complete videos automatically. This can be especially useful for content creators who want to produce videos efficiently. It offers a simple way to create videos without advanced editing skills, making it a valuable option for many users. These tools can be extremely useful when applied correctly. The real advantage comes from understanding how to use them effectively in your workflow. If you're interested in more content like this, consider subscribing.